Now that Penny has her Moser's benefit estimate in hand, she wants to know which plan and benefit payment option will be best for her, so she uses the comparison calculator. She goes to the Moser's website and clicks Library. She then types comparison calculator into the search bar. Here, Penny finds it along with detailed instructions on how to use it. She then selects comparison calculator. This will open an Excel spreadsheet. First, Penny must decide what options she is comparing. Different retirement plans, backdrop versus no backdrop, or maybe the benefit payment options within one plan. The blue and orange drop-down menus are for choosing which retirement plan to compare, the MSEP or the MSEP 2000. In this case, Penny will compare MSEP and MSEP 2000. These boxes can be changed depending on the plan. The boxes underneath are the fields where Penny must enter her individual information. The retirement date she enters into the calculator must be the same one shown on her benefit estimate. Penny then enters her birth date. In the next box, Penny enters the estimated COLA of 1.5%. COLAs can never be less than 0 or more than 5%. Next, Penny will select Guaranteed COLA as this will apply to her. If this option applies to you, then you will receive a minimum 4% COLA each year until your base benefit equals 165% of your initial base benefit. After this period, you will receive the estimated COLA. Though the backdrop fields are optional, Penny is eligible and she selects a 48-month backdrop period, and she enters in her backdrop amount for each plan. She inputs the monthly benefit amount into A10, the base benefit field in the calculator. Now Penny moves to the second comparison option, where she will enter her information for the MSEP 2000. Penny's retirement date will be the same. Next, Penny goes to the MSEP 2000 benefit estimate and enters the monthly benefit amount for the joint and 100% survivor option. She inputs this into B10 in the calculator. Penny can now see the results of retiring under either MSEP or under the MSEP 2000. The option with the higher cumulative dollar amount will be shaded in blue or orange in each of the total benefit columns. She will be able to see at what point or age one plan may be better than the other, and over time what the option with the higher benefit will be. Pink shading will show when the guaranteed minimum 4% COLA in MSEP ends and the estimated COLA begins. Since she is eligible, Penny will see her temporary benefit here. Penny would still like to go over her options with a benefit counselor before making her final decision. She prints out a copy of this comparison so that she can bring it with her to discuss it. She also saves it to her computer for future reference. If she decides to put off retirement for a while, information from these estimates will change over time, as she accumulates more credit service from working and her retirement date changes. Keep in mind that what is best for Penny won't necessarily be better for you. Every person's circumstances and needs are different. You should verify your information in your individual retirement election form prior to making a final election, because your choice is irreversible once Moser's has sent your first benefit payment. Once Penny has made a decision, her final step is to go online and complete the Retire Online process.